All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So a lot of you guys might have bought the Guardian series for the Essential phone, and you realized that your notification was covered on the top. Now I've actually removed their screen protector and put in a glass screen protector in place of that. But this case does have that flaw. So what they've done, they reached out, and as you can see here, they gave the updated version with an entire slit across the top. And it is just completely open. There's absolutely no way that your notifications are covered at this point. It is completely open on the top up there. So that's something that you need to consider now. The updated version is out. Again, this is the same case. They just gave the updated version. As you can see, there's the notification light flashing right there, completely open. It was just a little bit off on this case right here. And just a hair off. And, you know, a lot of people were upset about it. It didn't really bother me too much. But the Guardian series is a case that people like, and so the notification was covered just a little bit, and they fixed it. They opened up the entire front here, which is just sweet that they decided to make an updated version. So contact them if you haven't already exchanged yours out. I don't know if they're doing exchanges. You know, I don't know what they're doing, how they're doing it, but it is available now. The new version is available. Again, same case, just they fixed it right there. Good. And you can see your notification light flashing. You can see it flashing right there, that blue light right there. There you go. So updated version for the Guardian series on the Essential phone. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Essential for doing right by the customers, man. That is the way you give a good customer experience. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.